In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Mailchimp. Managing your online marketing needs can be a breeze with platforms like Mailchimp, but before you can dive deep into the features and tools it offers, it's crucial to understand how to manage your billing information and ensure your account is up to date. Whether you're a seasoned Mailchimp user or just starting, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll need to access your Mailchimp account. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Mailchimp login URL, which will take you directly to the login page. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with fields asking for your username or email, and of course your password. It's essential to ensure your login credentials are entered correctly to prevent any delay in accessing your account. After entering your details, go ahead and click on the Login button. This action will grant you access to the main dashboard of your Mailchimp account, a hub for all your marketing campaigns and data analytics. Now that you're in, look for your profile in the top right corner of the screen. Your profile is your gateway to various settings, including account preferences and, more importantly, billing information. Click on your profile to reveal a drop-down menu, then select the Account and Billing option. This area houses all the necessary details regarding your Mailchimp subscription, including plan options, usage, and payment methods. Within the Account and Billing section, you'll find several tabs designed to help you navigate through your account's administrative backend effortlessly. For our current purpose, you're going to want to select the Billing tab. This tab is crucial for managing how you'll be paying for Mailchimp services. Once you've clicked on Billing, scout for the Billing Information option. This is the area where you can view your current billing setup, including what payment method you have on file, if any. Given how crucial staying on top of your billing information can be, Mailchimp has made it quite intuitive to add or update your payment details. To add a new payment method, look for the Add Payment Method option. Clicking on this will lead you to a secure form where you can enter the details of your preferred payment method, be it a credit card, debit card, or other supported modes of payment. It's worth noting that ensuring your payment method is up to date is critical for uninterrupted access to Mailchimp's features and services. Throughout this process, it's important to follow the on-screen prompts and instructions carefully. Each step is designed to ensure that your billing information is accurate and secure. Mailchimp takes the privacy and security of your financial information very seriously, employing sophisticated encryption and security protocols to protect your data. Also, remember that managing your billing information isn't just about ensuring that your campaigns run smoothly. It's also about making the most of Mailchimp's offerings. With your billing details correctly set up, you can seamlessly upgrade or modify your plan according to your business's marketing needs, access premium features, and tap into the full potential of what Mailchimp has to offer. Admittedly, the world of online marketing tools can sometimes seem complex, but with guides like this, you're never too far from finding your way. And remember, staying informed about your billing details and ensuring they are up to date is key to a hassle-free experience with any subscription-based service, Mailchimp included. To wrap it up, today we've gone through the essential steps of logging into your Mailchimp account, navigating to your profile, selecting the account and billing option, choosing the billing tab, and finally adding or updating your payment method under billing information. This straightforward process is integral to keeping your account in good standing and ensuring you have access to all the tools and features necessary to power your email marketing campaigns. That wraps up our guide on how to manage your billing on Mailchimp. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider exploring more of our content for additional tips, tricks, and insights into making the most of digital marketing tools and platforms. Happy emailing!